11. And the race is on. Tara Let's from the outside, rushing up air of distinction. Senor Vicente, down on the inside, Queen's Prayer, Siamo Familia. It's now air of distinction. Senor Vicente, Queen's Prayer, Siamo Familia is racing in port alongside Tara Let's by the Cold-Hearted. Blood Ambition alongside Tremendous Itam Panamera, and racing in 9th position, number 10, and this one's Headline Chaser. Rounding the far turn, two runners fighting it out for the lead. Air of distinction, Queen's Prayer down on the inside, Senor Vicente. Air of distinction by a length and a half, Queen's Prayer down on the inside, Senor Vicente. And moving up by the Headline Chaser as they race the final corner. Air of distinction, this time by some 5 length, Queen's Prayer. Senor Vicente rushing up in the middle, Headline Chaser. Bland Ambition, Cold-Hearted, and on the outside, Siamo Familia, Tara Let's, and Panamera. And nearing the finish line, number 13, Air of Distinction. Second, Headline Chaser, close, Senor Vicente, Queen's Prayer. Close for 5th, Cold-Hearted, and Panamera. Then comes Tara Let's to a Bland Ambition.